In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to install Stremio on Philips Smart TV, okay? So let's get started. Now, first of all, you'll have to check what type of Philips TV do you have, okay? So this one, as you can see, is a Google TV, and here you can download Stremio, okay, perfectly fine. Now, this TV right here is an Android TV, and here you can also download Stremio perfectly. However, this TV right here, which is the Philips Saphi OS, now here unfortunately you can't download Stremio. However, later in the video I will go over some alternatives which are similar to Stremio, yeah? So you'll have to wait for that at the end of the video. Now, first of all, we're going to be tackling on how to download Stremio on Google TV and Android TV, okay? So the method one is to directly install from the Google Play Store. So press home, go to apps, open Google Play Store, search Stremio, install, open and log in, okay? However, if it doesn't show in your Play Store, we have another method, okay, which is an APK method where you're gonna download, install Stremio using APK. So for that, first of all, we'll have to download this particular app from the Play Store, which is the downloader app, okay? So just go ahead and download this first of all. Then we'll have to enable some setting, okay? Now, you must do this from TV system settings, okay? Not inside downloader settings and not inside the Google Play settings, yeah? So you'll have to press home, go to settings on your TV, scroll to apps, then scroll to special app access, select install unknown apps, and then you'll have to find downloader, okay? And then you'll have to turn on allow from the source. Now what you have to do is we're gonna go to the main step, which is you have to open downloader, and this is how it's gonna look like. Now in this URL box that you see right here, you're gonna go ahead and copy this right here, stremio.com/downloads, and paste it right there, okay? Then you're gonna choose Android TV version, download it and install. Then you can open Stremio, you can log in, install add-ons and start streaming, okay? There's also a method 3, which is installing via USB. So here you'll have to download Stremio APK on your phone or laptop, copy to a USB, insert USB into the Philips TV, then use the file manager and install the APK. Now we have dealt with the Google TV and the Android TV. Now let's look at the Saphi OS, yeah? Now for this, Stremio cannot be installed directly, but you can still use Stremio. So we have two options. Option A is to cast from your phone. So open Stremio on your Android or iPhone, play a movie or show, and then tap on cast. Select your Philips TV, and it works perfectly via DLNA. The option B is to use a streaming device that supports Stremio. For example, we have Amazon Fire Stick, Google Chromecast with Google TV, NVIDIA Shield, Android TV box. Then you can install Stremio normally, okay? So alright guys, that is basically it for the video. We've gone over all the 3 different type of TV models that can come from Philips, and I hope that this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.